Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix an iPhone speaker that is not working. Let's get started. 1. Check the volume. First, make sure your volume is turned up. Use the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone, or open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen and adjust the volume slider. 2. Turn off silent mode. Next, check the silent switch above the volume buttons. If it's enabled, flip the switch to turn off silent mode. 3. Restart your iPhone. Restarting your phone can fix many temporary issues. Press and hold the side button and volume button, then slide to power off. After a few seconds, turn your iPhone back on. 4. Check accessibility settings. Open Settings, then tap Accessibility. Scroll down to Audio/Visual under the Hearing section. Make sure the balance slider is in the middle and mono audio is turned off. 5. Disconnect external devices. Your iPhone might be connected to another device. Turn off Bluetooth from the control center to make sure it's not connected to external speakers or headphones. 6. Reset iPhone settings. If the problem continues, you can reset your settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset all settings, then confirm. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.